Hello traders, welcome back to AM Trading Tips. Today I'm super excited to share an amazing binary trading indicator for MT4 that's extremely profitable. But wait, there's more. I'm also going to show you exactly how to trade using these signals with live, real-time examples. Make sure you watch this video until the end without skipping, because you won't want to miss these tips. For today's session, I'll use the MT4 platform to show you the indicator's live buy and sell signals, and I'll use Pocket Option to place my trades. If you want to try these platforms yourself, I've added links in the video description below. Quick risk warning. Trading binary options involves financial risk, and you might lose money. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results. So always trade responsibly and only invest what you can afford to lose. Here's exactly how you can use this indicator effectively. You'll see lots of buy and sell signals with this indicator, but always remember two important things. Always trade in the direction of the current trend. Pay close attention to support and resistance levels before entering any trade. For example, when you get a buy signal, ensure the market is trending up and the price is not near a strong resistance level. When you get a sell signal, ensure the market is trending down and the price is not near a strong support level. If the market has a strong trend, it's okay to trade near weaker support and resistance levels, but never trade at strong levels or against the trend. Set your candle time frame to 1 minute and keep your trade expiry also at 1 minute for best results. For optimal results, trade during the European and US market sessions. Avoid trading during major news events to lower your risk. I'll give you more tips as we dive into live trading shortly. Now let's move to the exciting part, live trades. Watch carefully, take notes, and see exactly how this indicator performs in real time so you can apply this knowledge to your own trades. If you're excited to try this powerful indicator, the download link is right below in the video description. Important reminder. Always test this indicator on a demo account first. Move to a real account only when you're fully confident in its performance. If you're ready, let's jump into our live trading session. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AM Trading Tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future trading tips and powerful tools just like this. Let's get started. All right, traders, I've just taken a buy trade here because the indicator gave us a clear buy signal, and the market trend is currently going up. As you can see, there's a resistance level ahead, but don't worry, the price hasn't touched it yet. It has enough room to move comfortably, at least for another couple of candles. Now, let's wait patiently together to see the outcome of this trade. Remember, trading requires patience and discipline. Even if the trade goes in our favor or not, it's important to stay calm and analyze each result to learn and improve. All right, traders, it looks like we've lost this trade, but that's okay. Remember, losses are also part of trading. What's important is how we handle them. Now, the indicator just gave us another buy signal, and since the market trend is still upward, I'll follow my strategy and take another buy trade right here. One small loss shouldn't shake our confidence, especially when our strategy is solid. Let's see how it goes. Remember, trust your strategy. Keep emotions aside and stay disciplined. Just a few more seconds left now. Let's watch carefully to see how this turns out. And there we go. This trade ended in profit. This is exactly why consistency is so important in trading. Always trust your strategy, manage your risks properly, and never panic if you experience a loss. That's how successful traders operate. All right, traders, I've just entered another buy trade. Why? Because our indicator showed a clear buy signal, the market is trending upwards, and the nearest resistance level is still quite far. According to our strategy, this is exactly the type of trade setup we're looking for. A great opportunity. Now let's patiently watch together as the trade progresses. Remember, sticking to our rules and having discipline is key to success in trading. Only a few seconds left. Let's see how this trade ends. Awesome. We got another winning trade. As you can see, following a clear strategy consistently can give us excellent results. So, traders, always remember, stick to the signals, trade with the trend, be mindful of support and resistance levels. That's how we become consistently profitable. If you enjoyed today's live trade examples and found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to AM Trading Tips, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more valuable trading tips and strategies. You can find the download link for this powerful indicator in the video description below. Always remember to practice first on a demo account before using it live. Thank you so much for watching. Happy trading, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.